Hi guys, today I want to show you how to unfold a simple surface here. So here's a Solidworks here, and you have to download our software registered based on the user guide, and there's a detailed step there that how to register our software into your computer. It's very simple. And then after you register our software, then you will see here this is under the tools here, and there's unfold as unfold here, and then you just click as unfold surface here, and then you'll see here there's a menu here, unfold parameters here, and then you just click here, and then you select OK, and yeah, here's the result here, and that's it. And this is actually a very simple surface, and the results should be very, very accurate here. So, and if you want to have more information, please let me know. And this is actually the advanced smart unfold for Solidworks. It works fine for this case. That's for today. Thank you. Bye.